Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mirpur from Al Well-known Institute, English Language Center, Bangladesh. Well, today I'm honored to stand in front of you all to talk about an important topic, which is none but mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Technology is best when it brings people together. Well, mobile phone is a smart and useful tool which makes people connected. It allows us to talk to our friends and families even if they're far away. Nowadays, mobile phones have become an important part of our daily life. Most people, young and old, use mobile phones for different purposes. For example, we use mobile phone to make calls, send messages, take photos, as well as make videos. We also use mobile phone for different reasons, like listening to music, watching movies, as well as play video games. Well, Mobile phone helps us to access to internet, which allows us to search for information as well as use apps and stay updated with new news around the world. Moreover, for students, mobile phone is actually really important and really useful in learning, as they can attend online classes, watch educational videos, as well as a search for information online in their studies. Parents and teachers can also use mobile phone to guide and support their children in academics. Now let's talk about some more positive impacts of mobile phones. What are they? Well, mobile phones save times and also can be really helpful in emergencies. For example, if I'm sick or if I'm lost, I can just make a call for help. It's that easy and quick. It can be also used for doing online business, working from home, as well as staying connected with customers, which helps us also in earning as well as education. In short, we can say that mobile phone, it makes our life easier, faster, and more comfortable. However, there are also some negative sides of mobile phone as well. Watching too much mobile phone could be harmful, as it causes eye problems as well as back pain, neck pain, and also less sleeping. It also, nowadays, most students and children are addicted to games as well as social media, which reduces their child focus on studies and lower their academic grades. It's also effects on their quality time with their families and friends. Some even spread false news on internet and also waste time on unnecessary use, which is really bad. So, in a result, to stop this, we should use. It is important to use mobile phone in a balanced way. In conclusion, we can say that mobile phone is essential in our daily life and modern life. So, as it offers us to communicate and access to internet as well as sources countless apps for working and leisure times. So with that would be my speech for today. Thank you for listening to me cordially. Thank you.